This cocktail is called a Golden Friendship. Now, if you got that really good friend of yours or something, and you want to have a bonding moment, I guess you could whip up this cocktail and present it to them, kind of bond your friendship there, say, hey, you're a really good friend. Anyway, let's get to it. It involves light rum, amaretto, sweet vermouth. We're going to need a highball glass, and we're going to build this straight into the glass, and it's equal parts of all three ingredients. We're going to use about 3/4 of an ounce of each. So let's free pour these. Using a 1 count per quarter ounce, we're going to use a 3 count for each pour. Start with our light rum, 1, 2, 3. And then we've got our sweet vermouth, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And finally, our amaretto. Amaretto is an Italian liqueur. It's got an almond flavor to it. It's really good. It's popular in a lot of cocktails. Maybe you've heard of a toasted almond. That was a little slow pouring, but that'll work. And then we're going to finish off with some ginger ale. Now, a shortcut if you don't have ginger ale around is to use what's called bar ginger ale, which is 7-Up with a little splash of Coke. Gets you out of a pinch if you need some ginger ale. But if you're mixing at home, having ginger ale is always good. And we'll just pour that on top, and we'll let the carbonated beverage take care of the mixing for us. And I don't want to stir this up too much because that's actually got a nice color going there. Look at that. This is for you, dude. Golden Friendship.